Yes, welcome to They Call Me Locksmith. I'm Locksmith, one quarter of the UK music band Rudimental, and this is my personal page where I share with you guys my fitness journey. And today I'm sharing one of the horrific workouts that I'm about to do. It's called the 5K Hell. Let's go. So if you're wondering what this logo is about, or that logo there, that's all part of my fitness brand, which is called They Call Me. Now if you want to win a chance to win some gym fitness wear, all you have to do is like and subscribe, and I'll be choosing a winner at the end of each week on my YouTube page. Head over to www.theycallmelocksmith.com, check it out, let me know what you think. The 5K Hell workout. It consists of a 1 kilometer run on this assault runner, 10 cal on the assault bike, followed by 10 squats, 10 press ups, and finishing up with 10 pull-ups. Now you're going to repeat that 5 times. With each set, you're going to add 10 reps onto each exercise. Now the 1K run will stay the same. The assault bike on the second round will be 20 cal. Then you'll be doing 20 squats, 20 press ups, 20 pull-ups, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40. And on your final round, you'll end up with 50 reps for each. Hence why it's called the 5K Hell. Before we start this, we're gonna have a quick warm up, get this on the go. This is no joke, no laughing matter. I'm gonna start my 1K run, my first 1K run on the assault runner. I've got my heart rate monitor on, I'm ready to go. Steady pace, just getting it done. Just finished that first kilometer. Did this run in under 6 minutes. Not trying to break any records there. Nice, steady pace, because I know what lies ahead. Now I'm going to move on to the assault bike for 10 cal. 10 cal assault bike, relatively easy, but we know it's going to get progressively harder. Time for squats, press up, pull up. As you can see, the hat's gone on backwards, which means I mean business. Second round, let's go. This workout's gonna be about mental strength to push your physical capabilities. We just keep going. Just under that 6 minute mark, keeping that pace between 10 and 12 kilometers an hour. Let's get onto the assault bike. This is the worst one. This is the worst one. In all honesty, I think this one's going to be a start-stop job. Alright, 15, another 5 to go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get through round 3 and 4 and meet you guys back for the last round. This is where it starts to get tough and the hat comes off. So I'm going to come back on 5K, or the 5th round, final round. But that 3rd run, woohoo! Yeah, it's probably going to be a size. Yeah. I'm not even bothered about my speed now. It's just about getting it done. Get to this point, just finish the 4K run, and you start to realise why this session is called the 5K Hell. More to go. 3 more to go. The assault bike and the pull-ups, no matter how fast or slow you go, it still hurts. The last 1K. The legs feel like jelly. Literally like jelly. 5K in total, complete, kaput, done. Thank the Lord for that. 50 cal on the assault bike. Let's go. Pull-ups, last 50. Let's go. 5 more, 5 more, 5 more. You got it, come on. Come on. 1. Oh, that last one. That last one don't count. Get one more good one. Finish on a good one. Come on. Right, there you have it. Workout complete. 5K hell complete. As you saw, it's a grueling workout. It's a mind over matter type workout, but we've got it done. Please smash that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed that. Remember, you don't have to have all the equipment that I use within this session at home. You know, if you haven't got an assault bike, swap it out for an exercise that you can do, a body weight exercise you can do. Same for the pull-up bar. Swap it out for something that you know you can do. It's easy, it's easily scalable for whatever type of exercise you want to do. I'm struggling to get the words out. Peace, love, and join me next time for a half decent workout. Take it easy.